Hello everyone, so I'm going to unbox this camera here. As you can see the model, okay? It got strobe light, audio alarm. It's a good camera. I've already installed it. This is how it looks like, the AccuSense camera. Okay, 4 megapixel. I'm gonna open it from here. So this is the camera here. It's always got this Allen key. It's got user manual. It's got the waterproof protector. And then this is the camera here. It's got double microphone here. 1, 2. And then you can put a memory card inside here. This camera can be stand alone. You got the PoE network cable, you plug it here. If you don't have a PoE switch, you plug a 12 volt here. This camera can stand alone. If you don't have a NBR, you can add it on your network and then add it on your phone. Mic 1, mic 2. Those lights will flash when there's a movement, okay? We are going to plug it, activate it, and then see how the picture look like. Okay, now I have plugged my camera to a PoE switch. As you can see, there's the one here. It's not even activated yet. Okay, I'm gonna activate it. I'm gonna put a password for it. Activate. For now, just have to answer those questions here. I'm gonna put the email address. Confirm. I just want DHCP for now. Okay. I'm gonna log into this camera. Log in and save it. This is the camera here. I'm gonna change mainstream because this is the substream. You can see this is the camera. Okay. I can do the configuration. I'm gonna say event. I'm gonna say event detection. Enable. So every time it detects a human or a vehicle, it will make a noise. Then I draw here. So here, here, here. Right click, save. It's not you. It's not you. You can see here flash. When it detects someone. Okay, and you can come to alarm setting. You can say flashing light. Duration, you can say 15 seconds. Audio warning. You can test it. You can hear. Now you can just say like this. Test. And here. Okay, so I'm gonna show you there now how it works. As you can hear.
Danger, please keep away.
You see.
Danger, please keep away.
There's the camera here.
Danger, please keep away. Danger, please keep away.
So as you can see, you can also change this sound. Can you hear this? You can change it to this one. Can you hear that? Let me go next to it so you can hear the voice.
Since restricted area.
You can hear it. I hope this video will help someone who is in need. Please don't forget to like it, share, and subscribe. Ciao.